Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and doing well, and welcome once again to your Picture Talk class. And many things I have been telling you, guiding you, and we have been learning different things. I hope you are enjoying all the videos which I am sending, and you are studying and practicing at home also. Okay, so I hope you will be learning everything and you will enjoy this video also. So today my topic is different, totally new, and we have been dealing with different topics, and we have seen then that in this world, this beautiful world that God has made, we all live together. Yes, na? And God has made such a beautiful creation. He has made us human beings, okay? Then He has made birds, animals, yes? And we have learnt about those birds and animals. We have different kinds of birds, animals, yes, na? And sun, moon, stars, everything God has made beautiful. And the animals also, we have seen that some are wild animals, some are domestic animals, and wild animals live in the jungle, and domestic animals we can keep at home, and some of the domestic animals help us also, okay na? Yes, they help us. In the same manner, when we live on this earth, in this world, so we require each other's help, okay? So as I am teaching you, I am guiding you, okay? In this manner, I am helping you, yes, na, to studies during this corona time, difficult times when you cannot come to school. What are we doing? We teachers are making you learn while sitting at home through online classes. We are guiding you, yes, na. So in this manner, we are helping you to study. In the same manner, there are different people who help us. Yes, so there are people, you need milk. Cow gives us milk, and you drink milk. From where does this milk come? Yes, this milk comes from the milkman. The milkman brings milk to your home. In the same manner, I have taught you one nice rhyme, and it was cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. And in this, there was a boy named Johnny, and his shoes were torn, broken, you can say. And then what happened? He went to that person, and that person mended his shoes. And the person who mends a shoe is called a cobbler. Yes, na? Do you remember? So cobbler helps us to mend our shoes. In the same manner, we live in a house, yes, and there are people who protect if there are thieves who come and steal our things, then who are those people who go and catches the thief? Yes, the policeman catches the thief. So in this manner, the policeman help us na. If someone is doing wrong with us, the policeman are there who can go and catch them and punish them. Yes, na? And then we come to school by bus or van. So who brings us to school? Yes, the van driver or bus driver. Na? So the driver, they drive the bus and brings us to our school and wherever we want to go. So who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. In the same manner, now you are sitting at home, you cannot go out. So what happens? Now your hair must have grown. Na? So now when your hair grows, so your hair must have grown, na? So where do you go to get your hair cut? Who cuts our hair? So the barber help us in cutting the hair. If our hair grows, then we go to the barber to get it cut. Okay. So in the same manner, if we want to, we all dress ourselves with new clothes, na? So who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. And if sometimes you have pain in your stomach, Anna, or you are not well, you are sick, you have fever. So where do you go? You take the help of someone, you go to take medicine. Na? You cannot take your medicine on your own. No, you go to the doctor. Yes, the doctor help us when we are sick. The doctor gives us medicine. So these are the people who help us in our daily life. They help us to do our work. Then only our work becomes easy for us. Okay. So in this chapter today we are going to learn community helpers. Which chapter? The community helpers. Okay, this is lesson number 15, community helpers. We live in a community, we live among people. There are different people in our neighbors, we have people. So all of us, we help each other in some or the other way. So the teacher, I'm a teacher, so what am I doing? I'm teaching you. I'm helping you in your studies. So there are some questions. We are going to do these questions. Okay, the question number 1 is, who teaches us in school? Who teaches us in school? So you will say, the teacher teaches us in school. What will you say? The teacher teaches us in school. Who teaches us in school? The teacher teaches us in school. To whom do we go to when we are sick? Whom do you go to? We go. So answer is, we go to the doctor when we are sick. We go to the doctor when we are sick. Yes, this is question number 2. To whom do we go to when we are sick? We go to the doctor when we are sick. Okay. Question number 3. Who catches robbers? I told you about the thieves now. Who catches robbers? And the policeman catches robbers. The policeman protects us from all these thieves and robbers. Yes, na? So the policeman catches robbers. Who catches robbers? The policeman catches robbers. Question number 4. Who mends our shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. Who mends our shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who brings our letters? Yes, someone brings our letters. If you want to send letter or card, birthday card to your relative who is living very far off, so who takes and brings it? The postman. Who brings it? The postman brings our letters. The postman brings our letters. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair. Who brings our letters? The postman brings our letters. The postman brings our letters. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair. The barber cuts our hair. If our hair grows long, we go to the barber and the barber cuts our hair. Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. So children, these are the 9 questions, okay, that you have to learn, these question answers, and they are the community helpers. They help us in the teacher helps us in a study. If we are sick, the doctor treats us. He gives us medicine so that we are again fit and fine. And if our shoes are torn or broken, the cobbler mends our shoes. So all these people live in the community with us, along with us, and they help us in different ways. So we all need each other. Okay, so remember that in a community when we live, we cannot live alone. We need all these people around us, yes na, who help us. Okay, so do learn these question answers. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. God bless you, children.